How to lose finger fat in 1 week. Everyone's body has a different way of distributing excess fat. For some people, extra weight goes right to their fingers. So, if you are trying to slim down your fingers and hands, you need to lose weight overall. Here are some exercises to lose finger fat in 1 week. Number 1 is do finger stretch. This is very basic exercise that you can do at any time of the day. You will have to place your hands palm down on a table and then straight your fingers as flat as you can against the surface without forcing your joint. You can release the hold after 30 to 60 seconds and repeat it at least 4 times with each hand. Number 2 is grip exercise. This makes your fingers stronger and better. You will need a squeezy ball for this exercise. You can also use a tennis ball instead. Squeeze the ball in your palm and hold for 2 to 3 seconds each time before releasing. Do 15 to 20 times with each hand and repeat the set 2 to 3 times. So number 3 is finger lifting. You will have to place your hands palm down on a table and then straighten your fingers as flat as you can like you did for the first time. Lift one finger at a time and put it down after 1 to 2 seconds. Hold. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more watching amazing videos.